What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is the first video on 31 days of change, whereby we're going to be having a video each and every day for 31 days. That is the whole of this October. Actually, we're going to be doing each day a different way to make money online. How about that, guys? So I figured by the end of 31 days, at least you guys will be having one, if not two or three or more online side hustles. Instead of staying at home doing nothing, just watch my videos from the first to the last day of October. And yeah, I hope this will be useful. I hope to change somebody's, life and situation. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with today's idea, which is how to start a YouTube channel. I know I have done another video on how to start a channel, but I didn't go into details. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can start a successful YouTube channel. I have 2 channels already, and I think and I believe I have enough information on how to start a channel, the do's and don'ts. So yeah, watch this video till the end. I hope by the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own YouTube channel. I'm going to be breaking down 8 steps. What you need to know, guys, is that you can start a YouTube channel in any country that you're in. So the first step is the easy one on how you can create a channel. All you need to do is to log in or sign in to YouTube like you are now. You're already signed in because you're watching this video. I think on your right or on your left, I'm not sure. On one of the side, up you'll see an icon that has your profile picture. But if you don't have any profile picture, let's say you're Anne, your name is A, so your profile is A. If your name starts with B, your profile is B. You'll see a letter somewhere at the corner, and yeah, you're going to go there and click there. You'll be asked to create a new channel. So once you click your profile, just select create a new channel and you're good. Set a new channel title and that's it, guys. That's it. You are now a YouTuber officially. Create a good title that people can remember, Make sure your channel name is something easy to recall. Okay. So now let's go to step number 2 of creating a successful YouTube channel. Content type. So before you start a channel, before you come to post videos, make sure you have your content type or your niche. For example, you can see my channel. The content type here is how to make money, business ideas, finances. So before you can start your channel, you need to have something in your mind that you want to be doing here on YouTube. So yeah, make sure you have content so that you can be able now to go to your about, because once you create a channel, you'll be asked to say what your channel is all about. So after you have, a rough idea of what you want to be posting, go to your about and write what your channel is all about. Then create a banner or a channel art. If you tap on my YouTube channel, my icon, you'll see something here on top. Now, on top of my profile picture, that's what we call a banner. So that's why you need to know the content you will be posting, so that at least your about and your banner can, rhyme, and so that people can be attracted to your channel. It will be easier for you to interact with your audience when you know what they want. You guys know these things because I've been talking about them each and every time. So the third step now to start a YouTube channel, you've already created, you've already, looked for your channel type. I think you need a piece of pen and a paper to write these things. So the third thing you need to have is a camera. I always tell you guys, for me, I film using my phone, but the bad thing about phones is that some have a very bad quality of picture. I know mine is also not perfect, but if you don't have a camera, you can use your phone, Use whatever you have in the meantime. So if you really need to start a YouTube channel right now, use your phone. I always tell you guys, the earlier you start a YouTube channel, the better for you. So don't wait until that time you have so much money at ndio uanze ku create. No. start with whatever you have. The fourth thing you need to consider if you want a successful YouTube channel, you don't want to start from scratch. You want your channel ianze vizuri na igrow. So what you need to have is light. You don't want your videos to be so dark. If your videos are dark, nobody will want to watch. Juu hatukuoni, So make sure you are in a room that has enough lighting, or at least put your camera in front of a window so your light ikuwe imekuface. Because there is a way you can put your camera ukute light in a reflect, so the video will be so white or something. So you don't want a very white video, or so much lighting, and you also don't want a dark video. So make sure you know how to gamble with the light. At least watu waweze kukuona vizuri, okay? So let's go to the fifth step. This is one thing that you guys need to know. If you're beginning a YouTube channel, you need to know about uploading. Yeah, this is the most important part. This will determine whether your videos will go to many people, kama zitaonekana na watu, ama it will remain with one view forever. I know you've seen some people come to YouTube one day and they're already blown up. Others come 10 years and they still have 10 subscribers. So yeah, if you want your channel to have many views, then uploading is very necessary. So you need to take into consideration the title of your video. Make sure your title is eye-catching, and also make sure it is searchable. So let's say you are tying a head wrap and you want to show us how to tie a head wrap. Somebody will put a title, I tied my head wrap. Oh, that's a good title, but somebody else will come and say how to tie a head wrap. Of course, the one who says how to tie a head wrap will have more views, because many people will search how to tie a head wrap. They won't come to search at I tied a head wrap. No. So make sure your title is searchable. If you are doing something, instead of just saying I went to the market, look for something that will, attract people, a good title, okay? You can even put a title like the most busy market in Kenya, or the most boring town, or something of that sort, Yeah, I went to the most popular pub, or something of that sort. Something that will attract many people. So make sure your title is eye-catching and it is searchable. The sixth thing you need to know is consistency, because this is key. Remember, you're not famous. Nobody knows you. Of course, for me, when I started, nobody knew me. I didn't even have an Instagram account. Sikuwa hata na followers Facebook. Sikuwa na friends. So you need to be consistent, because nobody knows you. What I mean is that you need to upload at least once every week. If you don't do that, people are going to forget you. Tuseme ukuje hapa upload one video every day, one video, and then suddenly upotee. Maybe upotee 1 week or 1 month or 2 months. Remember, we didn't know you, so we are going to forget about you. So yeah, if you want to be successful on YouTube, you need to be consistent. Once you start uploading, once you upload your first video, there is no going back. Make sure you upload a video each and every week. You don't even need to upload each and every day, but at least make sure that each week you upload, so that people get to know you. The sixth step you need to do once you come to YouTube is to market your video. So once you upload your video, you need to market it, because nobody will see it, nobody will know. You need to market your video. So share it to your contacts, your WhatsApp contacts, your Facebook friends, no matter how few they are, at least 2 or 3. If YouTube notices that you're sharing your videos, then it will also share the videos for you. The good thing about YouTube is that it's a fair playground or something. It's a fair social media platform. So once you share your videos, just pumzika tu na relax. Usikue like una force watu, no. Don't force people, but share them to your friends and your family, and then leave it at that. YouTube will do the rest for you. Okay? YouTube is a very good place, because it's going to share it to other people, but at least you have to show effort by sharing to some of your friends and some of your family, okay? So the next and the last step, The last thing you need to do after you upload, you have your channel now, you have a new video, you've shared it, you need to engage your viewers. So in case, you might find your video imefikia watu kama 100 and then maybe 10 of them comment on your video, you need to engage them. So if people comment on your video, don't forget to reply to their comments, like, love their comments, reply to them, engage them, talk to them. If you don't do that, people are going to get bored because actually they don't know who you are. They are trying to know you and you're not ready to be known. So make sure you engage your viewers in the comment section below. Yeah, and also guys, comment down in my video also. Tell me, was this video helpful? If it was, like this video. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm uploading another video, 31 days of change. We have to start a social media platform. We have to start an online side hustle. So by the end of these 31 days, you guys make sure you have at least one or two. So see you tomorrow with another business idea and how to grow it step by step. Hoping you enjoyed this video. Like it so that I'll know that you guys enjoyed watching, and hoping to see you guys tomorrow. In the meantime, you can be watching the other videos I've uploaded so that you can get more insight on how to make money. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.